Hey everyone, this is Michael from Barton Musical Circuits, and this is the new Rise and Fall detector. This module takes a voltage input, usually a CV, but you could use a gauge or something else, and it tells you whether that voltage is going up or going down or staying the same. It has gate outputs for each of those states and LED indicators. The two controls are time and threshold. Time is controlling a filter in here that's setting how long it takes to detect a change, and threshold sets how big of a change it takes to set it off. So I'll play with these a little bit once we get the patch going. I have it turned off right now so the LEDs aren't blinding you. Yeah, the patch I'm going to show you is the auto sequencer is going to generate a sequence, and then the gate outputs here are going to control the analog drum and the dual decaying noise over here. And yeah, let me get this turned on. So you see the stay light is on right now because there's no input, and you can hear the patch from the auto sequencer. So you can see these LEDs are barely turning on because the time is turned down. But as I turn that up, these will stay on longer, but that's also making it so it takes longer for them to react and turn on. And I'll set the threshold up a little bit, which that shouldn't affect too much, but you would adjust that if you have kind of a noisy signal, or if there's some vibrato, or you only want a certain number of note changes to make a difference. And yeah, let me patch in the kick drum. That'll happen when the note goes down. And now the noise whenever the voltage rises. So you can hear how it changes between 1 hit and 2 hits as I adjust the threshold. Hits on the kick drum. And let's hear a different CV pattern. Cool. I could do this all day, so I'll cut it off there. Sorry I wasn't narrating anything those last couple minutes, but kind of got lost in the patch. Thank you for watching.